to my channel. I'm Stella, and today we're going to make a pork belly kimbap, which is called samgyeopsal kimbap. Pork belly is the most popular part of pork in Korea. It contains a lot of fat, so most Koreans eat this with a lot of vegetables and seasoning. I'm gonna put all the ingredients that was used to make Korean BBQ in one kimbap. So before we start cooking, let me show you the ingredient that we need. Pork belly, rice, kimchi, liver, carrot, cucumber, samjang, lettuce, wash the carrot and cut into fine strips. Put on oil in the pan. Fry the chopped carrots for 5 minutes. You can add a bit of salt. Cut out the both edge of cucumber and cut them into half. Then remove the seeds inside because it is too moisty. Do the same thing with the rest of them. And then slice them into pieces. Make it as thin as possible because I'm gonna add this to a kimbap. Add 1 spoon of sesame oil into steamed rice. Then put a little bit of salt inside. Mix this with a spoon. Then I'll grill the pork belly. Put a pork belly into a heated pan. I'm gonna use a thin slice of pork belly for convenience at this time. You can also add a salt or pepper. Wash the kimchi with a running water. Add 2 spoons of sesame oil. Add 2 spoons of oligosaccharides. Add 2 spoons of chili powder. Mix them using hands. Now, all the ingredients are ready. Put the liver on a cutting board. Spread the handful amount of steamed rice on the liver. Put 2 pieces of lettuce in the middle and add a 2 pieces of pork belly. Add a chopped carrot on the side. And add a slice of cucumber. Don't forget to put on a seasoned kimchi. Lastly, I'll add a ssamjang on the top of it. Then let's roll it up. Brush the sesame oil on the surface of the kimbap. Then cut them about 2 centimeters wide. Now let's try pork belly kimbap. This is so good, and I feel like I'm in a Korean barbecue restaurant. Try making this at your home and share this with your family and friends. So, did you enjoy this video? If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to press the subscribe and give me a thumbs up. And see you in the next video. Bye bye.